In this guide, I'll show you how to watch videos while playing games on PS5. So the first thing you want to do is press the PlayStation button on your controller, and we're going to go to Game Base. Then on the left sidebar, you want to scroll down to Messages, and you can either create a new message or you can go to your recent messages. And in the Enter a Message section, you want to type in bing.com. Now, when you do this, you want to simply input it into the chat by pressing R2. And what this is going to do is generate a hyperlink. So you want to press X on it, which is going to open up the PS5 web browser. And from here, you'll be able to navigate to any website to watch videos, such as YouTube. So I'm going to type in YouTube in this example. You can use any website, though, that hosts videos. So once your video's playing, what you want to do is press square on your controller to resize the card, and it's going to make the video player a bit smaller. However, if you go down and turn on theater mode, you can actually make it a little bit bigger. And now what you want to do is press the options button on your controller, and what we're going to do is select pin to the side. Now you'll have the option of pinning it to whichever side you'd like, and then all you have to do is press X on your controller to put it in that place. So now you'll see we're watching the video on YouTube whilst playing the game on PS5. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.